What's going on? I haven't made a video in I don't know how long, but since school is over and summer's coming, I feel like this is a great time to start making videos again. So today we're going to be making a video on a package we got today. This package is from JD Customs, and the product I'm going to be putting on the Evo today is a coil on plug system. I believe that's what it's called. Give me 1 second. So yes, it's actually called a coil on plug ignition system. I just forgot the ignition part. But JD Customs offers the best price for a coil on plug system for the Evo. There are other competitors out there, but I feel like for the best bang for your buck and for the quality of these products, I feel like JD Customs is the way to go. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the product, and then I'll do a little review about it. And yeah, so let's get to the unboxing, and later in the video I'll explain the benefits of converting your Evo into a COP system. Alright, let's open this up. JD Customs, let's see what you got. Alright, we got a little thank you letter. Thank you for your purchase, blah blah blah. Please post a picture of your purchase and tag us if possible. Well, here you go, I'm making a video about it, so that's nice. Alright, here we go. It's nicely packaged. Make sure it's not gonna get damaged within the shipping process. Alright, here we go. We got some hardware and a fuse and instructions if you need that. So yeah, even just from watching other people's reviews on this system, you can tell that it's high quality, and in person it actually feels a lot better and looks a lot better. The covers and the wires, the base plate, the coils, these are real refurbished Denso coils. You don't want to cheap out and get eBay ones if you do want to build your own kit, which JD Customs does offer. I was thinking about doing that, doing your own DIY kit, but for just paying extra couple dollars extra, you might as well just get them professionally built for you, so that's what I did. They also offer different types of base plates. I just went with the satin black, but they also offer carbon fiber or a really nice titanium plate. And also it states that you can gain up to 8 to 20 horsepower, which is really cool, just doing a small mod like this. And it is mod dependent, so depending on what mods you have in your car, that could determine how much horsepower you're going to gain. And the best part about all this is that you don't need to retune after you install this. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here's the Evo. I don't think I ever made a video about it before, but here it is. Don't mind the blue bumper. I got something in the works right now. Let's open the trunk, get my tools out, and open the trunk. I mean the hood. Alright, don't mind my tarp also. I keep it there because of the hood vents I have, water gets through, and I don't have a garage, so that's the reason why I have that. Okay, install should be very easy. So you want to remove your 10mm bolts. Come right off. Alright, now there are 6 bolts to remove. I believe they're 10mm too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 2 plugs. 1 and 2. And now the coils just come right off. That's 1. And 2. That's it. Next step, put your JDC coils on. are flush with the valve cover, and then you are supplied with this these bolts and washers, and you just mount it to the valve cover. And these bolts require a Allen key, so you can't just use a normal socket for this. So I gotta get that in a second. And just go hand tight, you don't want to make this too tight. Last step, well not the last step, but next step, you plug in your harnesses. Just like that. And I'm probably just gonna zip tie this like that to make it more cleaner. So I'll do that right now. While I'm here already, I'm just gonna tuck my throttle cable in the back a little bit so it's not hanging over the valve cover like that anymore. Last step is go inside the car and go to your fuse panel, and you want to remove fuse number 1, which is behind this other added fuse thing. So I gotta remove this, and fuse 1 is actually on the top left. You're gonna replace the 10 amp fuse with a 15 amp fuse that's provided for you, I mean. Alright, so there's the 10 amp fuse. I don't know if you can see it, but just gonna remove that and replace it with the 15. Last step is to start it up and see how it goes. Oh yeah, that's definitely more smoother than it was before. Hell yeah. Alright. So it should be good. Actually, I turned off the car because it wasn't supposed to be idling that high, but it's my fault. When I relocated that, when I tucked in that throttle cable, I guess it was pulling on the throttle body, so it was opening it up a little bit. But look at the idle, it's actually really good. Yeah, I'll take it for a ride now. Alright, straight from the start, just leaving my driveway, I felt a big difference. And the throttle response is actually really nice. Oh yeah, it feels so much smoother. Drive it around for a bit. Oh, that's nice. It's so smooth compared to before. One thing I noticed too is the in and out throttle. If you're like in first and second, it's not like shaking anymore. Wow, I can't believe how much of a difference this made. I'm stunned. I'm gonna do a little pull later, so stay tuned. Oh, it's definitely more smoother. Is that a tomato? Nice, man. Very happy. Speechless. Definitely one of the best mods I've done to the car so far. Yeah, so my thoughts on this product, I think it's amazing. The car idles really nicely, even with the 272 cams. It's so smooth. It's nice. I 100% recommend this product. Unless you want to spend another $100 $200 more for another brand, I'd say go with JDC Customs, because stuff is just high quality. It's nice. So I think that's it, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave it in a comment below, or subscribe to me. Actually, no, not or. Subscribe to me so you can see more videos like this. And I don't know, I still don't know how to do these vlog things. It's so weird. You don't even know how many times I have to do a retake on a clip, because I just did not know what to say. Like right now, I'm just winging it. But yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, whatever YouTubers say when they end a video and they do one of these things.